find the equivalent resistance of the infinite ladder circuit between A and B. See, this is A and this is B. There are infinite number of resistors are connected up to infinite. See, infinite plus 1. See, we must remember one thing, infinite plus 1 is equal to infinite. Infinite minus 1 is equal to infinite. Why? See, in the sea water, if you take a glass of water from the sea water, does not make any difference. It will remain infinite amount of water. If you add 1 glass of water to the sea water, it does not affect the sea water. Again, it remains only infinite amount of water. Same way, with the infinite quantity, if you add something, it becomes infinite. With the infinite quantity, if you subtract something, it is again infinite only. So we will use this funda here. It means now we will separate this point. This is C and this point is D. If you remove this portion, what will happen? This portion, resistance, what is the resistance of this portion from here? From here is R infinite. Then if you add with this R infinite resistor with this one, again it will become R infinite, because with infinite, if you add something, again it is infinite only. It means with R infinite, if you add something with this one, with this portion, then again it will become infinite only. So this portion we can call it as R infinite. So R infinite, it means now the circuit is modified like this. 3 ohm between, this is point A, 3 ohm, and here 2 ohm, and this is end B. When we remove this portion between C and D, this resistance become infinity, so it means it will join in parallel. So this we can call it as R infinite. Simply we have modified this portion, removed and put it as R infinite. If you add this 3 ohm and 2 ohm, whatever may be series or parallel, again the remaining resistor, that equivalent resistor will come as R infinite only. What is R infinite now? This and these are parallel now. It means this and these are parallel, means the R equivalent dash is equal to this and this parallel, that is 2 into R infinity divided by 2 plus R infinite. So now the circuit is now reduced like this. 3 ohm in parallel, in series, this is A and this is B, this is R equivalent dash, this is 3 ohm. Now it is easy, since it is in series, we can easily calculate. So R equivalent now is equal to 3 plus R equivalent dash, this plus this. Therefore R equivalent is equal to 3, R equivalent dash is equal to 2 R infinite divided by 2 plus R infinite. So this becomes like this. The circuit is reduced. So this can be written as R infinity. See, this is R infinity. It is not equivalent R infinity. Why? Because if you are adding R infinity with something, again it becomes R infinity between A and B. So R infinity is equal to, this is, when you multiply, this is 5 plus 3 R infinite plus 5 plus 3 R infinity plus 2 R infinity, and when it is come this way, this will become 2 R infinity, this and this, plus r infinity square, or we can write r infinity square, here 2 are there, 2 r infinity, that is 3 plus 2 6, 3 plus 2 6, 3 into 2 6, and 3 r infinity and plus 2 infinity, so this becomes 5, 3 plus 5, and when it comes 2 r infinity plus r infinity square, so r infinity square, this is 5 minus 2, 5, when it comes this side, this becomes minus 3 r infinity, minus 3 r infinity, so this is also over, this is also over, this is also over, this is also over. Left out is, this is minus 6 equal to 0. We will use quadratic equation, b square plus or minus 4ac by 2a. So r infinity, to solve this second quadratic equation, here a, b square, this is b is equal to minus 3 whole square plus or minus b square plus or minus 4 into a is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 6. C is equal to minus 6. So this is become minus 6 divided by 2 into 1. So r infinity under root b square minus b. So this is minus b. This is our b. Minus 3 is b. Minus b is plus 3. Plus or minus this is minus b plus or minus. See, this equation is like this. Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2 into a. Here a is equal to minus b is equal to plus 3 minus b and plus or minus under root b square. Under root b square. B square is minus 9 b square minus 4 into a into c. So this becomes 39. So minus b whole square, that is minus 3 whole square. That is equal to 3 plus or minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 24 plus 9 plus 24 divided by 2. This is r infinity. So r infinity is equal to 3 plus under root 33 by 2 ohm r, 3 minus under root 33 by 2. So under root 33, see negative value, this is greater than 3, so 3 minus greater value is equal to negative value, this becomes a negative value. Negative resistance is not, there is no negative resistance, so this is the right answer. Therefore r infinity is equal to 3 plus under root 33 by 2 ohm. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. This is point A, R, 2R, 3R, 4R, 5R, 6R, 7R, 8R, up to 100R is connected in series. In series between A and B. So it is in series, so R equivalent is equal to R plus 2R plus 3R plus 4R and keep moving up to plus 100R. So this is equal, if you take the R outside, this is become 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to 100. See, we must have studied in the lower stage 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to n. What is its summation? The summation of this is equal to, take the last term n and last term plus 1 divided by 2. Same way here, R equivalent is equal to R into, here the last term is 100 into, this is 100 into 100 plus 1 divided by 2. This is R into 100 into 101 divided by 2. So this is equal to 50 into 101. So this is equal to 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5 R. So R equivalent for this given circuit is 5050 R ohm.